Hey y'all, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and I'm excited to guide you through the latest happenings in the world of blockchain and crypto. There's been so much going on as usual, so let's jump right into everything. Our Discord community is now at 3,790 members. Whether you're a developer, a builder, or just a curious mind, it's the perfect spot to connect, share, and learn from others exploring the decentralized web. Over on social media, our head of dev relations, Steve, created a great video on X402. At Pinata, we've been experimenting with X402 alongside Nanar, and Steve built something really slick. AI agents can now pay for Pinata with X402, and the implications for this are pretty exciting. So go give it a watch if you haven't already, it'll be in the description box below. This week, we're putting a spotlight on Horizon Labs. Horizon Labs is a Web3 infrastructure company focused on building modular blockchain systems with zero-knowledge cryptography tools. The goal? Make decentralized apps more scalable, secure, and cost-efficient. Their flagship product, Horizon 2.0, is an EVM-compatible blockchain specifically designed for zero-knowledge applications. It features built-in pre-compiled contracts that make it easier and cheaper for developers to verify proofs. On top of that, they've launched ZK Verify, a modular proof verification network that helps rollups and dApps offload expensive ZK proof validation. That slashes costs by over 90% and brings more predictable scaling to L2s and apps alike. Whether you're looking at them for their blockchain innovation or their behind-the-scenes technical work, they're absolutely a team to keep your eyes on. For upcoming events, be sure to mark your calendars for Permissionless 4, happening from June 24th through the 26th at Industry City in Brooklyn, New York. This year, the spotlight is on applications. The conference will feature builders, founders, and developers working across DeFi, consumer apps, token design, and even the crypto/AI crossover space. It's not just a talk shop either. A massive 36-hour hackathon is happening just before the main event from June 22nd to 23rd, with over $100K in prizes up for grabs. Whether you're in it to learn, launch something new, or connect with like-minded devs, Permissionless 4 is shaping up to be one of the most dynamic crypto conferences of the year. To wrap up today's episode, we've got a handy tip on how to find and back up top NFT collections on IPFS. NFTs are an interesting artifact class. Unlike traditional art, anyone can help preserve the underlying media as long as it lives on IPFS. In our latest blog post, we shared a script that scrapes the top 1,000 NFT collections by volume, pulls their Ethereum contract addresses, and checks for token URIs that point to IPFS. If it finds them, it automatically pins those files to your Pinata account. This boosts resiliency and ensures those assets stick around, even if the original host disappears. Whether you're a collector, a dev, or just an IPFS nerd like us, this script gives you a straightforward way to support content preservation at scale. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below so you don't miss any upcoming content from our team here at Pinata. But until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all!